Hey guys, it's Deegan here. Today I got a new fire alarm video for you. So let's just start with the mini system. Also, I was gonna install a horn strobe, which is basically the same one as this, same model, the FS series, FS 400, but that didn't work. So I got a remote strobe along with it when I originally got the horn strobe. So we just decided to put this up. So you won't be hearing any horns today, sadly. But yeah, I have my Mercom MS-710U fire alarm pole station. It's not the French version, it's the English version, as you can see. Yeah, Mercom FS-400 RS, I think that stands for remote strobe with the fire lettering. And yeah, I'll show you guys the model number. I don't know where the model number is, but I'll show you guys it once I open the pole station up. Oh, sorry, I just accidentally fell, but it's okay. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Push in, pull down. Sorry about the weird flashing it does, but yeah. Get it with the lights off. I'm just gonna leave this light on so that way I can still see. It lights up the whole room actually pretty good. But yeah. Turn it back on. I wish I could screw it into the wall, but for some reason my when my stepdad put this together for me, he didn't do that. Alright. Now we're gonna test them with the party lights. Oh, and also, if you guys didn't know, today's my 15th birthday. Okay, so that's partially why I got this setup. Actually, you know what? No, I probably can't, wait, yeah, I can plug it in. Sorry about that, it's kind of sparked there, but this actually looks kind of sick. Alright, now we're going to, kind of reset the pole station. I'll give you the model number once I reset it. Let me just put the key in. Yeah, it's actually mounted pretty nicely. I like it. Yeah, sorry about the sparks that I accidentally made while trying to put this in. That was an accident, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna turn off the LED lights, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. Nice. And also, yeah, the wiring job might not be the best, but hey. Well, no, actually, this wiring job is actually pretty good. I didn't know what I was saying, but hey, it's actually not that bad. I like it. Anyways, nice little setup. I'll film a separate YouTube short on this just so you guys can see it. And, yeah. Alright, let me just turn the party lights off right now, real quick. And, take this. Yeah, Mercom MS-710U. And I don't know if that's the model number, but there it is. Yep. ULC listed, which is basically a Canadian version of UL listed. Yeah. It's basically like a simplex T-bar. It's actually the better version because, in my opinion, because it's metal. So, yeah. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.